Welcome back, everybody. You know what time it is. You know what time it is here. Joseph James, School of Trade, Sideways Markets. It's a thirsty Thursday here in the live trade room. And it's a little bit more of a thirstier Thursday because we got a long weekend coming up here. Get the Memorial Day weekend. And, of course, we've been seeing signs of a long weekend settle in here ever since 10:30 this morning. Not surprising. Memorial Day weekend is one of the biggest holidays in the U.S. It's the kickoff of summer. Okay, so just like Labor Day finishes the season, Memorial Day kicks it off. Remember, we have a federal holiday on Monday, so there's nothing going on Monday. Friday will almost be the same thing. Markets have an early close on Friday. You got to be a little bit cuckoo to be trading after 11 o'clock on a Friday tomorrow. So keep it early tomorrow. I'm going to be gone tomorrow in Las Vegas. I'll be in Las Vegas. If anybody's going to be in Las Vegas, we'll be doing the prep work for our member summit 2 times a year. 2 times a year, every 6 months, we do a member summit. Our next member summit is November 15th. If you want more information about that, come join us today in our members only training. We're doing training here in about 5 minutes time. Before we get there, though, another fantastic day today. Okay, look at these results today, guys. 1475, 1505. Now, I don't want to brag here, but we got 1405, 1505. We are having a great week, a great month. Just incredible results across the board. A record-breaking month of May. I'm not surprised. We get through the first quarter. Second quarter, we kind of shrugged off the end of the first quarter, and we got right back to business. Just an incredible day, incredible week, and a great month so far. Now, before we talk about the trades we took today to earn all that capital, I want to remind everybody out there, there's risk out there in these markets, so be careful. I encourage everyone out there to please take a moment to think and speak to somebody you trust regarding your risk capital. It is very easy to come into the markets as a brand new trader or an experienced trader without a proper trading plan and lose some capital. And it's something that I know probably better than anybody else here. I know the easiest ways to lose money. I did so successfully for the first 5-6 years of my career. So when it comes to losing money, the easy way to lose money is come in and do something you're not familiar with. So be careful with the things you're not aware of, you're not familiar with. If you're a brand new member, make sure you guys come to training. Make sure you have your trading plan in hand. If you're a guest right now, be very careful with shadow trading, because when you shadow trade, you're not using the same entry techniques. You aren't aware of the trade management before you get into the trade. Maybe you are, maybe you aren't. It can be a challenge as a guest. As a guest, though, I'm really excited to share with you our entire trading strategy. I'm excited to share with you the success of the fast track in going from a demo trader to a 1 contract to a 10 contract trader. The fast track method is going to be the easiest, the path of least resistance. Now that you know the actual risks associated with the trades we take every day, now that you know to come in and attend training and learn, we want to make sure, of course, here now, go over our clues. First clue this morning, over 170 ticks today, guys. First clue this morning was the news. Now, we look for 3 things when it comes to news, folks. What are the 3 things? What happened overnight, what's happening today, and what's likely happening tomorrow. First things first, news overnight came in bearish once again. Once again, the bears are out in Europe. And so we open up our charts at 7:30 this morning with our morning prep, and we see that we've got bearish news coming out of Europe. Now, we always talk about this at 7:30 in the morning. This is nothing new. This is obviously going over what we talked about today in our morning prep. But we discussed, if we have bearish news overnight, what are the 2 scenarios we plan for? Either A, the first scenario, is going to be it will continue and we'll keep selling retracements. Or the second scenario would be the bearish news overnight may result in a short covering rally, right? So in other words, price dropped all morning and now all of a sudden it goes whoop back up. A short covering rally as the U.S. markets open up. So we knew this morning there would be 2 scenarios. Either expect a short covering rally, prices rising back up, or expect prices to keep going and making new lower lows as they go. That was the first clue. Second clue, 8:30 news. 2 huge news events. Jobless claims Are they dropping? Are they rising? Durable goods orders. Durable goods orders are critical for natural gas, crude oil, basically all of the commodities. Durable goods orders apply to the manufacturing sector here in the U.S. Manufacturing sector, when it grows, it needs more natural gas to heat and cool. It needs more crude oil to ship parts across the world. Okay? As the manufacturing indexes get stronger, as durable goods orders come in, you know there's more orders. That will result in more jobs. That will result in more confidence. That will result in more retail spending, more home spending, everything. So durable goods and jobless claims are tremendously important for us. Now we look now a little bit lower. We know at 9 o'clock we got the ECB's President Draghi speaking. And then we look even lower. We know we got 3 o'clock Tiny Tim. We got Big Timmy Geithner, our Treasury Secretary, at 3 o'clock this afternoon. So we know we've got really important news early.